Hello and welcome back to Planned on Planning. Here we are in my personal planner, and we are going to get the week ready for April 9th through the 15th, of course. And this week I have some really cute washi because it has the super cute little pugs on it, and then it has these little funky sayings, happy bright bold chick, or happy bright chick and bold, meh, not feeling it. And then this of course is my banner washi, and then I have this little cute washi with a whole bunch of sayings on it for to line out our days. So let's go ahead and get started. Enough talking, enough playing around. Let's get right to it. All right, so I have my whiteout, of course, because we're gonna get rid of April. Nothing against April. It's just it doesn't work with what we're doing right now. So we're just gonna get rid of that. Now, if you did notice, the washi that I'm using for the banner with the pugs, it is rather large. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So it is gonna take up, a little bit of our top area. But truthfully, I'm not worried about it. I'm not stressing it. The pugs are cute, so we'll just have to deal. Alright, now, because this does have words, and the washi is going this way, I'm gonna go ahead, or the design of it is going this way, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my book upside down just to make it 10 times easier on myself. So I'm gonna hit a little flip, and then I'm just gonna start in the upper corner, but I'm going to go over a little bit because the way it's starting, it's in the middle of a word, and I kind of want the whole thing. I know it's a little crazy. I'm wanting so much, but hey, that's how I roll. Alright, so let me lift this up a little because I realize I'm creating some bubbles. There we go. Ah! It folded in over on itself. Alrighty. Okay. So I'm just gonna do like this. There we go. And slowly but surely. There we go. Alright, I love it. I'm just gonna take this right. I'm gonna take it right before the rings, as you can see, because I want to clean that line so I can start on the next side. Bam. I'm just gonna move over. Like I said, I'm gonna start right there, getting as close as possible, and then just bringing it across. Bam, there we go. And as you can see, it comes out almost perfect with the edge. I just love it when a plan comes together. Bam. Love it. So the next time I use the washi, I can go ahead and start right on the corner. Let me go ahead and snip this little bit. Snip. Alright, and let's flip it. Look how cute that looks. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Alright, push these things over to the side, and now we're going to use our smaller washi to frame out our days. And this one is a little thicker than I've been using lately, but I'm still gonna go right above the date and just bring it across. And it's just a bunch of cute little sayings on it. It says, love this, nope, I adulted today, not happening, best ever, No excuses, lazy days, worst ever. And what I'm just doing is I'm letting the whole saying be free, basically. So it is going a little over, as you can tell right there. But that's okay. It's my planner. I can do whatever I want without sounding like super creepy. Alright. And no, I'm not going to go across the bottom. So let's do this side now. Bam. I really, really think this is super cute. Now, when I use this bigger washi, because I know that I can't get it, you know, right under, right within the line. So I just use the line right above the date. Just to make it super easy on myself as a guide. Alright, so that is what we're doing washi wise. But you know what time it is. It's sticker time. And I have these really cute stickers that I love. If I can get them open. Oh. It's a nice little sticker sheet that I'm just going to wear out basically. I do have my weekend banner. You know how much I love a good weekend banner. So I'm going to put my weekend banner over my Saturday. Bam. Super cute. And then I'm going to wear my stickers out. So this one says powered by coffee and ice cream. That definitely sounds like a Monday to me. So I'm adding that to my Monday. I have waiting for the weekend. That's this one here, waiting for the weekend. So I'm going to put that on my Friday. Plan all things. That's my Saturday and Sunday. Basically, I'm getting my following week ready to go. Ha ha ha. Oh, look at this. It says, I think you should go for it. That sounds like a Tuesday. I have been stepping up and taking charge. Oh, look at this party. 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 I like that for my Saturday too. Because that's when you get some downtime in. I have this things just aren't going as planned. And to be honest, that's kind of how I feel around a Wednesday and a Thursday. I mean, a Tuesday and a Wednesday. It's just like, bruh, what happened? Look at this. You did it. That looks like a Sunday to me. I got happy memories. I'm gonna put that on my Thursday. Let's do love. So we're just gonna do out some things. There we go. Hello, gorgeous. That's the sticker up here. It says hello, gorgeous. In just like that too. So don't think I'm making that up. I really did say it just like that. Look at this. You deserve a sticker. I'm putting that right here. Because by Friday, I feel like I made it. I made it. So, I think I should give myself a sticker. Love and adventure on Monday. Positive thoughts sending out to the week. Oh, look at this dreamer. I have a stay cool. That's Saturday. Because with all the running around I do, not only do I have to stay level-headed, dealing with lines and people and parking, but I also need to stay hydrated, which is even more important. I got a little yay. I like that. And then I'm just going to add some little flair with my little hearts and stars, horseshoes, clovers and balloons, spots of golden rainbows, and the red balloons. Oh, didn't know I had that in me, did ya? Didn't know I had that in me. Ooh. Bam. I think I'm just gonna add a heart to my little cloche. Haha. I have appointments and meetings that I have going on, so I just want to do. Wait, do I have it on Wednesday? I'm thinking. Yes. Appointment. Bam. And there we have it. We are all flared out, all loved out, all wonderful out. I'm just looking for some inspirational quotes to put right down at the bottom. And I'm going to pop over to my 365 quotes book. And I just want to get a little love going on. A little love going on. Oh, look at this one. Enjoy life. I like it. Enjoy life. Enjoy life. No matter what you do. Enjoy life. And then something that matches it right over here. Don't quit your daydream. I think that's very, very important. Many times we get so caught up doing everything, going every place, pleasing everybody, that we forget our own dreams, our own wants, the things that make us happy. I like this too. It says she believed she could, so she did. I think that's a nice little inspiration for Monday. I like it. I mean, granted, I did come here for one quote, but when it hits you, it hits you. I like, look at this one. It says, "Hello Friday, I love you." Oh my goodness, if that's not how I feel about a Friday, I'd be lying. Alright, so I haven't used these in quite some time, and it's not necessarily that I had to dig them up, but they just got like pushed over to the side as days went by. These I use just to keep track of the things that I need to do, my little list, my little to-dos, and things like that. So I am going to add one. I was just thinking about which one to add to my Wednesday and my Thursday, because that's when the list making starts. That's when I start writing all the places I need to go, all the things at my grocery list, things like that. All my little errands. See, it's better to have them here than on little random sticky notes on my desk. Don't make fun of me. Look, I'm trying to get it together, okay? You see I'm putting forth the effort, right? Alright, so here we have it. My personal planner is all set and ready to go for next week. I have great foundation laid. I have my weekend banner that I totally love. I have my little notes that I can put down, you know, my grocery list and my errands that I need to run, any appointments that I need to put in, you know, and some great inspo going on with enjoy life, don't quit your daydreams, and even a little hello gorgeous. And the fact that I made it through the week, I'm giving myself a sticker on Friday. I deserve it. So I thank you so much for joining me here on Planned on Planning. If you have any questions or need any help, definitely leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. If you don't want to put yourself on blast as you need some help, you can go ahead and email me. I'm the only one that checks my email, so you don't have to worry about me talking to anyone else about it. Or if you're feeling brave, you can go ahead and follow me on social media and definitely slide in my DMs, because we all love it when somebody slides in their DMs, and we can definitely be planner besties by following each other on social media. Thank you for being here with me, and I cannot wait to see you again. Bye guys.